just a while. Bridges all around, victories of winners still survive. The evidence of losers on the ground, traces left